About acrylic carpet. Acrylic is often used for rugs, much more than carpet, in part because it has a shorter lifespan. Acrylic carpet is also a relatively new type of flooring that has been growing in popularity in recent years. Acrylic is made from polyacrylic fibers, which makes it extremely durable and resistant to stains and fading. That's because acrylic carpet is very easy to care for and maintain. It's also very affordable, which makes it a great option for budget-minded shoppers. Acrylic is not vulnerable to moth damage. Acrylic hues are bright and last in sunlight, with less discoloration than other materials that are frequently used. Cleaning an acrylic carpet. When it comes to spills, you can blot the area with a clean cloth or paper towel. Blot away the stain and grime using a carpet brush or clean cloth or paper towel, then, use the wet function of your vacuum to pull up any remaining water and foam. For tougher stains, you may need to hire a carpet cleaning professional. For normal cleaning, your acrylic carpet will stand up to a combination of laundry detergent and cold water, if you have a wet function on your vacuum. Otherwise, just do a normal vacuuming, on a consistent schedule, for the proper care of your carpet. However, acrylic isn't as long-lasting, or resilient as wool or some other types of carpet. It becomes fuzzy over time and piled, like polyester. Acrylic is susceptible to discoloration from oil and grime. Acrylic carpeting and rugs last anywhere from 3 to 5 years, depending on the quality of the rug, and how well it is cared for. You'll want to make sure that you clean them consistently to prolong their lifespan. Acrylic rugs are low maintenance and cost-effective. They're fluffy, smooth, and snuggly. These rugs can be dyed any color and they're comfortable to walk on. The acrylic material has a high moisture permeability. Cleaning an acrylic shag rug. If your shag carpet is only used occasionally, you can vacuum it once a month. The majority of shag rugs should be vacuumed weekly. A shag rug that gets a lot of use from children and pets, on the other hand, may need to be vacuumed daily. Deep cleaning your rug, at least once or twice a year, is also advised. If you need to have your acrylic carpet cleaned, be sure to contact Go Carpet Cleaning. We offer comprehensive carpet cleaning services that will leave your flooring looking and smelling fresh and new. Call us at 678-818-5698 for a free quote, or visit our website gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com. Thanks for watching.